You can have more of the things you want. Certain individuals appear to possess a golden touch with finances. It seems like they're not extraordinary or fortunate, just everyday people who've excelled at one crucial thing: financial goal setting. They've learned to set, track, and meet their financial objectives effectively, turning dreams into reality. Their secret? Strategic planning, discipline, and a good dose of patience. The good news? These skills can be learned and mastered by anyone. So stick around to learn how they do it and how you too can join the ranks of the financially savvy. The first step to setting financial goals is knowing your desires. Are you picturing owning a home, retiring early, or perhaps commencing a personal venture? It originates from a dream that pushes you to achieve your financial aspirations. It's about deciding what truly matters to you and personalizing your finances. It's important to know what you're aiming for in your financial journey. So sit back, relax your mind, dream big, and pinpoint your monetary ambitions. It all starts with a dream, so take a moment, allow your imagination to run wild, and identify your financial aspirations. Next, make your goals SMART. That's specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. It's about setting clear and meaningful objectives. Rather than expressing a vague wish like, "I want to save money," you should formulate a precise goal. Say, "I aim to accumulate $10,000 over the next 2 years." This key change transforms an abstract desire into a tangible goal. Present a definite target to strive for, a specific timeline to abide by, and a measurable yardstick to gauge your progress. This gives you a clear target, a timeline, and a way to track your progress. Once you've set your goals, it's time to create a budget. A budget functions like a compass, guiding your financial journey. Think of it as a roadmap for your funds, outlining your current finances and showing the way towards your ambitions. The task involves detailing your income and expenses. These two parameters provide a clear picture of your financial landscape. Allocation of funds towards your goals becomes your prime focus. It's a process of prioritizing your resources efficiently. Remember, every dollar has a job. Make sure it's working for you. Now you're ready to take action. Initiate your budget, strive for your goals. This could mean curbing unneeded expenditures or exploring avenues to amplify your earnings. Financial management requires making choices, and often tough ones. This entails scrutinizing your spending habits and finding areas where you could save more. It could also mean looking for additional income or taking up side gigs. It may seem difficult, but with persistence and discipline, the journey becomes smoother. Remember, every step you take is a step closer to your financial dreams. Lastly, review your goals regularly. Our aspirations shift and evolve as life unfolds, with circumstances prompting us to reassess and adjust our targets. Perhaps a job promotion brings new financial opportunities, or starting a family introduces different priorities. Life's major milestones should serve as checkpoints to recalibrate our goals, to tweak our budget, aligning it with our current situation and future ambitions. Keep moving forward. To recap, setting financial goals involves knowing what you want and planning accordingly. Start by identifying your monetary desires. Then use the SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound system to fine-tune these ambitions. Next, create a personalized budget that aligns with these objectives. Follow through by taking determined action and reassess your progress consistently. This method isn't a hasty route to wealth, but a steady, consistent approach to wealth building. Begin dreaming, initiate plans, act today. Remember the famous quote, "The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a step." It's imperative to understand that your financial stability and affluence is completely within your reach and control. Here's raising a toast to your upcoming prosperous journey and ultimate success. Thank you for being a part of this journey with us. Remember, knowledge is power. By subscribing to our channel, you're making another smart financial decision, ensuring you'll always be updated with the latest tips, tricks, and insights to help you build wealth and financial stability. Like and subscribe, and let's continue this journey together.